How many positive 5-digit integers can be formed using only the digits 0, 1, 2 and 8 when in each number each of these digits is used at least once? Please note the following points. Since 5-digit numbers are to be formed using 4 distinct digits and each of these digits has to be used at least once, exactly one of the digits must be repeated twice, while the other 3 digits will appear exactly once. Further, a 5-digit number cannot have 0 as the first digit because then it will be considered as a 4-digit number. For example, 0, 1, 1, 2, 8. This has 5 digits, 0, 2 ones and 1, 2, 1, 8, but it will be regarded as only 1, 1, 2, 8, which is a 4-digit number. Hence, the first digit can only be 1, 2 or 8. This gives 3 choices for the first digit. All the remaining 4 positions in the 5-digit numbers can be filled with any of the 4 digits 0, 1, 2 or 8. If 0 is the repeated digit, then the following arrangements are possible. Let the first digit be 1. Then the arrangements are, there are 12 arrangements shown here. The first digits are all 1 here, and in each of these 0 is repeating twice. I am marking the positions where 0 is repeating, so you can yourself check it that in this category 0 is repeating twice and the first digit is 1. So out of the five positions, the first position is taken by 1 and another 2 positions are taken by zeros. So the remaining 2 positions are to be filled by the remaining 2 digits 2 and 8, and they can interchange from one position to the other. For example, this is 10028. This is the same number 100, but 8 and 2 are interchanged. Similarly, here 2 and 8, here 8 and 2, 2 and 8, 8 and 2. Like this, it goes on. So the trick here is you first fill in the first digit by 1, then fill in the remaining 4 digits so that 2 zeros appear in different places, and then fill in 2 and 8. So if you count, there will be 12 such arrangements. Thus, there are 12 arrangements when 0 is the repeated digit and 1 is in the first digit. Similarly, when 2 is the first digit or when 8 is the first digit, there will be 12 arrangements for each, because so far as this problem is concerned, 1, 2 and 8, they are similar, there is no difference between them. So the total number of arrangements when 0 is the repeated digit is 12 when 1 is the first digit, 12 when 2 is the first digit, and 12 when 8 is the first digit, that is 36. Let us call it 1. Before going any further, please like, subscribe, share and hit the bell so you can be immediately notified for new uploads. It's completely free and only takes a few seconds, and you can always unsubscribe later if you want to. More importantly, for me, if you like, share and subscribe, it would encourage me to make and post new videos for you to view. Also, if you know about any interesting problem that you would like me to solve, please upload it in your comments. Without further ado, let's proceed with the rest of the video. If 1 were the repeated digit, then the following arrangements are possible. The set of digits to be arranged is 0, 1, 1, 2 and 8. If all the 5 digits were different, then the number of arrangements would have been as follows. Remember that 0 is not allowed in the first position. Therefore, the first position could have been filled in by 4 ways because excepting 0, there are 4 numbers left. Similarly, second position could have been filled in 4 ways because here the first position has taken up 1 digit, the remaining digits will be 0 and the 3 other digits left. So second position could have been filled by 4 ways. Similarly, third position could have been filled by 3 ways. The fourth position could have been filled by 2 ways, and the fifth position could have been filled in 1 way. Therefore, the total number of arrangements would have been 4 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 2 and multiplied by 1 is this, which is equal to 96. But 2 of the digits in these arrangements are the same because 1 is repeated. Hence, in the 96 arrangements, 1/2 is the duplicate of the other half. Hence, the total number of different arrangements will be 96 divided by 2 or 48. Let us call it 2. Similarly, if 2 is the repeated digit, the arrangements will be exactly 48 as before. And if 8 is the repeated digit, the arrangements are also 48. Hence, the total number of 5-digit numbers that can be formed when each of the digits 0, 1, 2 and 4 has to be used at least once is the sum of all the above valid arrangements, that is 36 plus 48 plus 48 plus 48 plus 180 is equal to 180, and that is the answer. Thank you.